welcome back to my channel. Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to film for you guys a fun video. Actually, I'm not filming anything. It's a compilation of 4 different house tours. Winter of last year, spring, summer, and fall of this year. So 4 seasons in our house. And this is actually a collaboration with Heidi Sonbull here on YouTube. I'm gonna link her channel so you can find a playlist of everybody else participating. So I'm basically gonna just share with you guys favorite parts in my home. It's called the Year of Decor video or tour or something like that. Anyway, I hope that you guys enjoy, and if you do end up liking this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't subscribed and you want to see more content from me, then be sure to subscribe so you don't miss a video in the future. And yeah, let's just get to it. Side note, if you guys are new to my channel, my name is Erin, and I just wanted to let you know that the title of this video is how I style my thrifted finds or my thrift haul finds or something like that, because I'd say a good maybe 90, maybe not 90, I'd say a good 80% of my home is thrifted items or secondhand items, things I find from thrift store, yard sales, side of the road, Kijiji, Facebook Marketplace, places like that. So this is really how I style my thrifted finds, because this is how my home is styled all the time.